Ever wished your thoughts could organize themselves into a powerful visual map? Or that AI could help you connect every piece of your research into one simple, smart workspace? Well, today's tool doesn't just save time, it supercharges your thinking. Welcome back to SoftGPT, your go-to spot for discovering the smartest tools, reshaping how we work, learn, and think. Let's talk about Ponder, the all-in-one AI knowledge workspace built to mirror how your mind naturally works. Unlike regular tools where you juggle tabs, docs, and notes, Ponder lets you explore, connect, and evolve your thinking in one powerful space. And it's not just about speed. Ponder is about thinking deeper, developing real understanding, not just grabbing quick answers. You can start by dropping in files, typing a question, or even building on your existing knowledge base. Ponder gives you a limitless canvas where ideas branch out just like neurons in your brain. You're not thinking alone either. Powerful AI agents work alongside you, ask follow ups, explore what if scenarios, and challenge your assumptions, all within a single space. These agents help connect dots across your content, offering suggestions, spotting blind spots, and helping you shape your ideas into something clear and actionable. You can turn those ideas into clean mind maps, structured reports, or markdown docs ready to export and share. Login is easy. Just use Google or your email, and you'll land on the redesigned Ponder dashboard, formerly known as Research Flow. Starting with questions and files. Right at the center, you can begin by simply asking a question. You'll see two main modes, Ponder and Chat. Ponder gives you a blank canvas to brainstorm. Chat lets you interact directly with your files using natural questions and answers. Depending on your needs, you can enable web search or choose from a list of AI models, from basic to advanced like Gemini 2.5, GPT 4.1, and Claude Sonnet. If you want unlimited use, stick with the basic model. Now let's click on Start with Files. Here, you can upload PDFs, TXT, or docs, or better yet, create a space. Think of a space as your own digital research hub, storing all your files, notes, links, and videos in one organized location. For this demo, I'll create a space called Future of Renewable Energy. After confirming our space is ready, let's add resources, files, YouTube videos, blog links, or plain text. I'll upload a few PDFs and add a YouTube video on green tech innovation. Everything now sits neatly in one place, ready to be explored. AI, analysis, and mind maps. Now comes the fun part, AI-powered analysis. Inside your space, you'll find pre-made AI prompts to help you ask smart questions, or you can write your own. Choose your AI model, then pick between group analysis or individual analysis. Let's go with group. Click on Mind Map and watch as Ponder instantly creates a dynamic visual map from your resources. Each card is clickable. Hover over them and you'll get more options. Add sibling child card copy. Text trace. Back to source change card color. Ask AI. Using Ask AI, you can. Simplify complex info. Explain in depth. Get an example or dive in for further exploration. Let's try Simplify. It instantly breaks down the text. Now, example. And it gives us a real-world case. Click Dive in, and it digs even deeper. Adding more resources. Need more material? Use the built-in search bar to find academic papers. I'll search renewable energy storage innovations. And within seconds, I've found new research. I can import that directly into our mind map. Want to upload a local PDF instead? Just click Import File. Need to manually add something? Use Add Blank Card to write your own thoughts or insights. Every resource stays organized under the Manage Space Files section. Now let's explore one of Ponder's most interactive tools, the chat feature, meaning it understands your content and responds accordingly. I'll type, summarize all my resources into a short report. Boom! It generates a clean, well-structured summary using all the material from our space. You can also use the Find Related Papers feature. It recommends new academic content based on what you've uploaded, or explore deeper with AI-generated prompts. Pick one, and Ponder will auto-generate insights, which you can save directly into your mind map as new nodes. Want to share your mind map? Go to the Share tab, choose Secret Share for private use or Shareable link for easy access. Click Copy, Done. Now, hit Export. You can choose PNG for a clean static image, interactive HTML for full, clickable exploration, Markdown report, clean, lightweight, and ready to plug into Notion, Obsidian, or any other tool you use. A powerful research and thinking platform that doesn't just answer questions, it helps you understand them. If you want to try it out, check the link in the description. Use the coupon code for 25% off. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Because at SoftGPT, we bring you practical AI tools that truly change the way you think, learn, and work. See you in the next one.